Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an immune booster chicken soup, and for this I'm going to be using collard greens, some fresh thyme, fresh parsley, some cabbage, some scallions, carrots, some celery stalk, garlic. Here I have a vegetable we call Christophene. And this is what it looks like if in case you're ever in the store and you want to get it. This is what it looks like on the outside. Also, I have some red and orange bell peppers, some pimento peppers, onion. I have a chicken noodle soup mix. Here I have some chicken thighs that I cut up. I'll be using some turmeric, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, sea salt, and black pepper. Stay tuned. I'm going to start seasoning my chicken. I'm going to be going in with my turmeric powder first, followed by some of that chicken seasoning, my black pepper, garlic powder, and not forgetting my sea salt. Just going to mix everything together, making sure that every piece of meat has that seasoning on there. Now, once everything is well mixed together, I'm going to cover it in plastic wrap and place it in the fridge. And now we're going to start building the base for our soup. We're going to start with our onion and our garlic. And we just build in those aromatics for that soup. Just going to saute this for about 2 minutes or until they're translucent. Next, we're going to start going in with our Christophene, our peppers, and our celery stalk. This adds additional flavor, especially with the celery stalk. Next, I'm going to start going in with my chicken. I'm just going to move these seasonings to the side. So I'm doing this part just so it gets some type of color. There's some type of color on the chicken before we go in with any type of water. So I want it to get that color on all sides, and that color is from the turmeric powder. Now I'm going to start going in with the rest of my veg, and that would be my carrots that I have diced and my cabbage. Once I put the cabbage in, I'm going to start going in with my collard greens, and I'm just going to lay it on top. Now, don't be alarmed if the pot looks like it has a lot. Remember, this is going to wilt down during the boiling process. And now I'm going to be going in with my water. Now, I'm not going to fill it with the water to the top as yet. Halfway through the boiling, I'm going to be adding some more hot water. And to this, I'm going to go in with my garlic powder, followed by my black pepper. Then this is where I go in with my Maggi chicken soup and my chicken seasoning. Just make sure everything is well incorporated so the seasonings don't just stay on the top. So you try to just move them around a little. Now, if you're unable to get collard greens, you can use any type of green leafy vegetable, spinach, bok choy. It's up to you. It's your preference. Either one of those would do. Okay, so this is 15 minutes later, and I'm going to go in with the rest of my seasoning. So I'm going in with my scallions, followed by my thyme, my fresh thyme, followed by my parsley. I don't like putting those in early because they tend to wilt a lot faster and then they get dissolved. I just like the ending with that burst of seasoning. So we have about 5 minutes left and this will be done. And I put my Scotch bonnet in for that last 5 minutes because it's just going to be adding just the flavor. I don't want the heat. So my immune booster chicken soup is all done. Thanks again for watching, and please, please stay safe, wash your hands.